Hi, it's me, Farhana. Today I'm going to teach you about the evolution of sexual reproduction, the advantages and disadvantages of this process, and the reasons behind studying this topic. But first, let me tell you what sexual reproduction is. So what is sexual reproduction? Well, sexual reproduction is the act of copulation between two eukaryotic organisms with the goal of producing fit offspring. The process evolved in the last common eukaryotic ancestor. Well, why is sexual reproduction needed if we have asexual reproduction? Now you may be wondering why sexual reproduction needed to exist while asexual reproduction was already taking place. Scientists have hypothesized that sex evolved in order to rid the genome of bad genes that were produced by mutations. Hence, sexual reproduction gave rise to many benefits. One main benefit of sexual reproduction is genetic variation. Genetic variation allows diversity to be introduced. Heterozygosity and polymorphism assist genetic variation with the inheritance of different alleles which combine to form multiple genotypes in the populations. The second benefit of sexual reproduction is the production of multiple offspring. When two diverse individuals reproduce, their offspring are both genetically diverse and fit. Fitness in populations is equivalent to successful reproduction, which can be seen here with the two dogs and their litter of puppies. The last benefit of sexual reproduction is the Red Queen hypothesis. The hypothesis states that sex evolved so that species may have genetic defenses against parasites. While sexual reproduction is advantageous, it is not always the case, as you will see, where there are many disadvantages. One disadvantage of sexual reproduction is the requirement of a mate. A male parrot has a long, colorful tail which attracts a female parrot. However, there is a trade-off where the male cannot fly away fast enough if there is a predator, leaving him in constant danger of being eaten. The second disadvantage of sexual reproduction is that not all eukaryotic organisms can reproduce, leaving many without offspring. The third disadvantage of sexual reproduction is the risk of sexually transmitted diseases which are detrimental to health. Examples of sexually reproducing organisms include the oncophagine dung beetle, in which genital divergence dictates mate selection, while in the fungi Microbotrium violaceum, copulatory methods can predict if it becomes parasitic to other fungi. Why study the evolution of sexual reproduction? For disease epidemiology and to increase the fitness of offspring. An example is the study of yeast, which is a human pathogen that can cause a pulmonary infection that soon spreads into the central nervous system. To be able to increase offspring fitness equates to a longer lifespan, higher survival chance, and good mutations. The evolution of sexual reproduction can lead to disease cures and repopulation of areas that lack biodiversity. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.